Is your shower head looking a bit crusty? If you're seeing weak water flow or those stubborn pink stains and mineral buildup, don't replace it yet. I'm going to show you a simple DIY hack that can add years to your shower head's life. All you need is a gallon of standard white distilled vinegar and a large plastic container. We're using the 5% acidity version. It's safe, cheap, and incredibly effective at breaking down the pink gunk and calcium that clogs up the nozzles. Simply submerge the shower head in the vinegar. We're going to let this soak overnight. This gives the acetic acid enough time to penetrate deep into the water channels and dissolve that grime from the inside out. The next morning, give the shower head a thorough rinse with hot water. You'll see the gunk wash right away. For any remaining spots, a quick brush will leave it looking brand new. Doing this every 4 to 6 months keeps the water flowing perfectly and prevents permanent damage. A 5-minute setup today saves you $50 on a new shower head later. If this saved your morning shower, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips.